Morning everyone. So you all have given your OIR test. I hope you all have done well. So regarding your test, you will be getting a OIR rating from 1 to 5 as I have told you earlier. आपके परसेंटेज के हिसाब से आपको OIR 1 से लेके 5 तक में 1 being the best and 5 being the worst आपकी OIR rating आपको ग्रेड करी जाएगी in few minutes. Now we'll be doing the second part of the screening test, that is the PPNDT, the picture perception and discussion test. I have already distributed you the PPDT sheets. In that sheet you will be finding a box. उसके नीचे action लिखा है, then उसके below that you have a place for writing a story. The procedure is quite simple. I will show you a picture for 30 seconds. It will be a blurry picture, a hazy picture. Then 1 minute will be given to you to fill that box and write the action of the story. Then after we'll provide you 4 minutes to write a story based on the picture shown to you. After writing the story, that sheet will be taken back from you and your group will be divided into 15 subgroups of 15 members each. You will be sitting in a semicircle, then one by one you will narrate your story. So whatever story you have written, you can narrate that story. Do not change your story while narration. जो उनका ग्रुप लास्ट में आएगा, they are also in the screening as well. आपको टाइम लग सकता है आपकी एक्चुअल डिस्कशन आने में. So in that time try to memorize your story again and again ताकि बोलते टाइम पे आपकी स्टोरी आप भूले नहीं. Do not waste your time chatting with your buddies. Try to memorize your story as much as possible so that your narration is fluent जब आपको एक्चुअल बोलने का मौका मिले. In the narration part, if suppose you listen to other people's narration, you think that आपकी स्टोरी में थोड़े बहुत चेंजेस करने की ज़रूरत है. You can make approximate 20 to 30% changes in your story to make your story better. But do not entirely change your story, otherwise आपका narration definitely खराब होगा. After the completion of the narration of the last person, as soon as his or her narration completes, you all will have to perform a group discussion. In the group discussion, all of you will discuss and come to a common story. ये आपके कर्मना का टेस्ट है, so all of you will be having a different kind of story. This will be a test of your कर्मना कि आप अलग अलग mindset लोगों के साथ बैठ के common objective को कैसे attain करते हैं. Is it clear? In the entire journey of this PPNDT, the story part, the narration part and the group discussion part, I will be grading you regarding the yes, no and doubtful. Yes means you have performed excellent in any field, वो बहुत rare case में मिलता है. So the best that you can get is doubtful, the above average level performance. So अगर आपने अच्छा perform किया, you will get a doubtful. अगर आपने बहुत ही अच्छा perform किया, then you will get a yes. And if your performance is below average, you will get a no. Is that clear? So now I'm going to show you a picture for 30 seconds. Be ready for that. Look at the picture for 30 seconds. 1 minute to fill the box and write the action of the story. Start writing your story. Stop writing your story. पीछे से कोई एक खड़ा हो जाए. Collect all the PPDT sheets. So this was the story writing part of the screening test. That is the Mansa part of your entire PPNDT. Now we will be doing the narration and the group discussion part. आप लोग की पहली होने वाली PPDT की practice. In the PPDT now you have to perform the narration and the group discussion. During the narration, be attentive regarding your body language and your voice quality. Your voice must be loud and clear and do not make unnecessary hand gestures. You must be very precise and clear with your thoughts and ideas. Is it clear? Yes, sir. Okay, so one by one we will be starting narration from just number 44. Start your narration.
Good morning, gentlemen. What I perceived in that picture, there were 2 characters in that picture. All were male, age group from 25 to 26, and action of my story is preparation for a marathon. Rajesh Kumar, who is 26-year-old young man, he is from Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, currently posted as a DSP of the district.
Good morning, gentlemen. I have perceived 2 characters in this story. They were in positive mood. Their age group between 25 to 30. They both are male. My main character is Rajesh. In this story, Rajesh is preparing for Olympic Games.
Good morning, gentlemen. I perceive in that picture two characters. Both were male, belong from age group 25 to 30, and the mood were neutral. Mohit was a software engineer. He was a software engineer in TCS company posted in Noida.
Good morning, gentlemen. I saw the picture. There are two characters. They are male. They are in neutral mood. My main character is Santosh. Santosh is a 35-year-old.
Good morning, gentlemen. According to perception,
Good morning, gentlemen. In given picture, I perceived two character. One character, the age of one character is 22.
good morning, gentlemen. I perceive from the stories that there are two characters. The main character of my story is 30-year-old man, and the other is a 16 to 17-year boy.
Hello gentlemen, I chest number 127. What I perceive two main character in my story. One is Rabinder of age 25 and one is Virender of age 40.
Good morning, gentlemen. My picture is character of two character. Main character is Ramesh. Ramesh is the 35-year-old man, and his son prepare to the best student.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my story, I perceived two characters. One, Vivek, who is a 19-year athlete of a district level, and second, Mahesh, who is a 26-year coach of Vivek.
Good morning, everyone. And in this story, I perceive two characters. One is Raju and other is child. And Raju is 25 years old, and other his children is 14 years old, and both are in positive mode.
Good morning, gentlemen. In picture perceive the number of two characters. Both are male and positive mood.
Good morning, gentlemen. In my imagination of this picture, there are two characters in this story. Both are brothers, and one is Himanshu and another is Divyanshu.
Good morning, everyone. In this picture, I perceive two members. Action of the pictures, increasing the police force and save the society.
Good morning, everyone. The picture shown to us, I have seen two characters. The age is between 20 to 25 years old, and the mood is positive. In the inter-university athlete championship, he performed very well, and thanks to his elder brother Atul. Thank you.
Preparation for a marathon or
Group 1 start.
Gentlemen, I can conclude with the problems. Means someone a baby fall.
Group number 1 is from chest number 44 to 94. Okay. Group number 1 start.
I perceived in this picture that one of them is running and one is giving him direction to run and giving him instructions.
I agree with you, but yes, I agree with you, but our story has to be like based on a social service.
I agree to chest number 44.
That's why
It can be he is saving to
Yes, he is
baby
saving other people from other
who
people
fall down
as
in
well.
the
No,
pond
he
or
can
in
be
the
saving
lake
from
in
other
the
people
ground.
also.
The whole group start.
gentlemen, I believe we need to they are doing social service in the playground.
It looks like you all come to a common story. So nominate one member among yourself who will get up and tell me the common story of the group.
Sir, after this discussion, we have decided that the main character of our story has to be the Rajesh Kumar, who is 26-year-old. He works in an NGO and preparing for a marathon. which marathon was conducted by the charity hospital Kangra for the cancer patients. He participated in that marathon. Due to his hectic lifestyle, he didn't get the time, so he prepared at night. And after participating in that marathon, he finished 10th position. And after that, whole charity event generated 5 lakh rupees, which was donated to the cancer specialist hospital. Thank you.
Okay, good. Please sit down. So this was the complete test of your screening part. वहाँ पे after this, one by one, with different groups will be called, and the same procedure will repeat again and again. Last वाले group का होने के बाद they declare the result. As you all are sitting here, are from the direct entry. Direct entry में आपका जो रिटन एग्जामिनेशन होता है वो यूजुअली नहीं होता है. सो फॉर दैट स्क्रीनिंग पार्ट आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स इज अ लॉट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स कंपेयर टू द अदर एंट्रीज. सो वहाँ पे स्क्रीन आउट होने वाले कैंडिडेट्स भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा होते हैं कंपेरेटिवली बिकॉज हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल विल रिपोर्ट इन द सिंगल डे एंड द सेम हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल विल गेट स्क्रीन आउट ऑन द सेम डे. So all of you will have to focus more on the screening part because it doesn't matter how good you are in the Mansa, Vacha and Karmana. If you get screened out, you will not even get an opportunity to perform in the actual SSB. Is it clear? I'm not really satisfied with all of your performance, but test number 44, you have done very good improvement. Your narration is doubtful, discussion is doubtful, and story is also doubtful. In discussion also you have performed very good. Stammering problem is there, fillers थोड़े बहुत आ रहे, energy level is quite down. You have to be more comfortable with the English language. Rest everything is good. As it is a direct entry, तो वहाँ पे मेहनत थोड़ी और करनी होगी. Number 53, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज क्वाइट लो. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन स्टैमरिंग पे वर्क करना है. काफ़ी रुक रुक के आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. द फ्लुएंसी इज नॉट देयर. नेक्स्ट टेस्ट नंबर 63, नरेशन में नो है, स्टोरी में नो है. डिस्कशन में पहले से बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस है बट अभी भी हैंड जेस्चर काफ़ी हो रहे हैं. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. और थोड़ी सी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी और लानी पड़ेगी. रीड द ग्रुप कि ग्रुप किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. अगर ग्रुप की स्टोरी ऑलमोस्ट कॉमन बन चुकी है दैट डू नॉट गिव न्यू आइडियाज़. भले ही कॉमन स्टोरी अच्छी ना बन रही हो आपके हिसाब से बट स्टिल दैट इज़ अ कॉमन स्टोरी. यू हैव टू फोकस मोर ऑन मेकिंग इट अ कॉमन स्टोरी. अच्छी हो नहीं हो डजंट मैटर बट लोगों से सहमति होना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. सो बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर फ्लेक्सिबल इन द डिस्कशन, अदरवाइज परफॉर्मेंस इज गुड. 74, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. एक्सेंट पे वर्क करना है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन, पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज क्वाइट लो. 84, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे वर्क करना. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज क्वाइट लो. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, द बॉडी लैंग्वेज. नेक्स्ट 89, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज क्वाइट लो. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक काफ़ी है एंड आई कॉन्टैक्ट प्रॉपर मेंटेन नहीं हो रहा. नेक्स्ट 94, नरेशन में इंप्रूवमेंट शो हुई है. द नरेशन इज डाउटफुल. स्टोरी इज ऑल्सो डाउटफुल. गुड इंप्रूवमेंट बट फिलहाल डिस्कशन में नो है बिकॉज ग्रुप में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी स्टार्ट में काफ़ी कम थी. पीपल वर आर्ग्यूइंग विथ यू. उसके बाद में फिर लास्ट में जाके समवेयर आफ्टर द इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ द टेस्ट नंबर 44 एंड 190 स्टोरी कॉमन स्टोरी कहीं ना कहीं आई. यू हैव ग्रेट पोटेंशियल सो यूज इट प्रॉपरली टू इन द वेलफेयर ऑफ द ग्रुप. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द एनर्जी लेवल, आई कॉन्टैक्ट एंड हेड मूवमेंट थोड़ा बहुत हो रहा है. फिलर्स काफ़ी आ रहे हैं. सो 127, यू हैव शोड इंप्रूवमेंट इन द नरेशन पार्ट, डिस्कशन पार्ट बट स्टिल अभी फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. यू हैव टू मेंटेन प्रॉपर आई कॉन्टैक्ट, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल, पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. स्टैमरिंग काफ़ी हो रही है. कंफर्टेबल इन द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज नॉट देयर. नेक्स्ट 134, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज क्वाइट लो. आई कॉन्टैक्ट थोड़ा कम मेंटेन हो रहा है. 147, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. जीडी के टाइम में आई कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन नहीं हो रहा. स्टैमरिंग बहुत हो रही, काफ़ी अटक अटक के बोल रहे हैं. एक्सेंट पे वर्क करना, पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पे ओवरऑल वर्क करना है. 148, फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द बॉडी लैंग्वेज, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल एंड द पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. 154, you have also shown improvement in the narration and the story part but still फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. एनर्जी लेवल, कॉन्फिडेंस और आई कॉन्टैक्ट पहले से बेहतर है काफ़ी. 171, स्टिल अभी फिलहाल तीनों में नो है. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज क्वाइट लो. आई कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन नहीं हो रहा. ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स काफ़ी हो रही. एक्सेंट पे और प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे वर्क करना है. नेक्स्ट 187, फिलहाल तीनों में है. जीडी में यूर अ लॉट ऑफ नर्वसनेस वॉज देयर सो बी मोर कंफर्टेबल विद द ग्रुप. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल थोड़ा लो है. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, एक्सेंट और प्रोनाउंसिएशन में वर्क करना है. Sima 190 have shown very good improvement. Narration is में doubtful, discussion में doubtful. Story में फिलहाल थोड़ा सा no है because आपके हीरो को कहीं बाहर से help लेनी पड़ी थी शायद. Energy and confidence level is good. Power of expression is good. Fillers start में नहीं थे, but धीरे धीरे narration के end आते आते fillers काफ़ी आ गए. तो confidence was degrading with the time. So be more consistent in the performance. Otherwise the performance was good. Is it clear? Do you have any doubts? Okay. Thank you.